Bang! Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, it's going to be drinking. Look, it's going to be smoking. Look, it's going to be swearing. Look, you have been warned. So look. Here I come in 3. Look, 2. Look, 1. Bang! Welcome, everybody. Black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. Welcome. My name is Shomari Clarke. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News. The greatest show on earth. The greatest show in the multiverse. Greatest show in the daggone multiverse. Bah! We have a great show for you today. Yes, we do. Great show for you today. All right. Look. All right, guys. So let's just get right into it. So we're going to talk about, first story, we're going to talk about Polygon, otherwise known as Matic. So Matic token. They changed their name to Polygon. So Polygon. Interoperability token launchpad. We're going to talk about that. But, oh, yeah, and then we're going to get into, All right, man, Congress. So here in America, Congress tells the SEC and the CFTC that they have to form a digital asset group, and we're going to talk all about that. In other words, they say we want regulatory fucking clarity. Congress is telling them that, demanding it. So we're going to read about that. And then Goldman Sachs says, our clients, their crypto demand is rising. Yes. Yes. Of course it is. So look, and then we'll do the shout outs and the daily summary as usual. So let's proceed how we proceed with a buy. Yes. And then we head on over here and buy. Look. Yes. All right, guys and gals. What are we working with here? Bitcoin. All right, let's do a refresh just to make sure. All right, Bitcoin. Price of Bitcoin, $57,016. All right. When I left you yesterday, we were at $56,741. So we've gone up. What's that? Wait. $375. Is that it? Is that right? Yeah, $375. All right. You know, whenever it's less than 1,000 up or down, you wonder, am I doing the math right? Because Bitcoin just goes up and down thousands at a time. You know, under 1,000, I gotta check my math. All right. Anyways, it's not exact science around here. Look, top 10 of the day, brothers and sisters. You know how we do. Top 10. Let's count down the usual suspects. Top 10. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Tether, Cardano, Polkadot, XRP, Uniswap, Litecoin, and Chainlink. Still holding on the number 10. Oh, yeah. Still holding on the number 10. All right, let's see what the market moves of the day are, folks. Look. Usual song, single digits up, single digits down. Oh, look at Theta, though. Theta's like, look, fuck all them single digits. We're going double. Oh, Crypto.com coin. Whoop, VeChain. Oh, VeChain. Oh, look at you, fuckstick. You just keep doing what you're doing there. Just keep doing what you're doing. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Just keep doing what you're doing. Solana, 16%. Why not, VeChain? You just keep doing what you're doing around those parts. Don't worry about it. Don't look to the left. Don't look to the right. Just keep doing what you're doing. All right, what do we got? Kusama, 11% up. All right, single this up, single this down. Oh, Chili's, you motherfucker again. The reason I say motherfucker is because I still haven't bought this thing. Daggone it. Son of a bitch, Shomari. You're a fucking retard. Oh, Polygon Matic. That's what we're going to talk about right now. All right, man. I got to get into the markets. I got to buy some shit. I'm going to tell you, I haven't been buying anything lately. I see things that I want, but it's just like, I don't know what my problem is. I don't know what my fucking derangement is. Why I'm not just buying stuff. Chili's. What's this other one? Couple other ones I want. Anyway, whatever, man. Theta Fuel is like, why don't you just get it then, dog? I know. Oh, look at Zilliqa. Right? Oh, Zilliqa, I want that too. Well, I don't know if I want it. But, I don't know. Chili's, I do want. That is something I want. Stupid idiot. Anyways, whatever, man. My portfolio is fucking fat. I'm not really worried. That's why I'm not worried. It's not like 2019 where I was like, oh, yeah, I got to get everything I can. Yeah, I take it my leisure. If I don't get something, all right, well, fuck it. It doesn't matter to me. I mean, my portfolio is going to make me rich. So look, what are we at now? All right, let's see who lost money today. You see anything on here you like, go get it because, bang, it's on sale. Yeesh, not many sales. Not many sales. Top 10 losers, NEM, Pancake Swap, Voyager Token, The Graph, Nano, Flow, Cello, Synthetics, UMA, and Phantom. Let's see who made money today. Excuse me. Bang! Holy, look at these fucksticks here. SKL, Scale Network, right. They had some big thing happen today. What was that? Something big. Holy, look at these gains. They're massive. Look. Top 10 gainers. Scale Network, Polygon, Chili's. Wait for me, Chili's. Just wait. Why don't you just get it? I know. Theta Fuel, Zilliqa, Near Protocol, Crypto.com Coin, Theta, Solana, Hedera, Hashgraph. I might throw a 5-piece chicken into the market this weekend. I don't know. You know, the truth is, once Fucking Binance International dissed us here in America, I don't know. I don't know. Anyways, look, total market cap, $1.788 trillion. Oh, yeah. Bang, baby, bang. So $1.788 trillion. When I left yesterday, we were at $1.712 trillion. So we've gone up. What is that? $0.076 trillion. Okay, $0.076 trillion. All right, 24-hour volume. 190. Oh, all right, 130. $131.9 billion. When I left yesterday, we're at $129.8 billion. We've gone up $2.1 billion. All right, let's get to the stories. Let's get to the stories. All right. Bang! Polygon integrates with interoperable token launchpad from DX Sale Network and DX Launch. All right, so I have nothing to yap about with this. So Polygon is that Matic network thing. They just changed their name. So I'm assuming this is an onboarding. Well, I guess it's not an onboarding. It's an integration. I don't know. Well, you define it how you like. I kind of look at it as an onboarding. Because it's going to bring use of the network, right? And shit like that. I mean, it's not like an onboarding like VeChain onboarding Walmart, per se. The classical sense. But, all right, let's check it out. So, DX Sale Network, a cross-chain DAO token management platform, is integrating its DX Launch token Launchpad with the Polygon X Matic network becoming the first Launchpad with 3 blockchain integrations: Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Polygon. So DX Launch will allow users to seamlessly create and launch an IDO on the Polygon network and list directly on the QuickSwap DEX. Since the whole process is operated by the DAO, project creators will save time and effort to focus on other strategies such as marketing and strategy. DX Launch works as a decentralized IDO with logic to reduce and eliminate rugs at certain junctions of an IDO. All right. The team behind the decentralized network DX Sale announced back in February that they were set to create integrated token platform services for the Polygon ecosystem that would allow its enthusiasts to create projects without worrying about technical difficulties. The first of these releases was the DX Lock, which gave investors the peace of mind of knowing their pre-sale funds are safely secured in DX Sale lockers, and will be joined now by DX Launch, by the DX Launch. Arjun Kalsi, Vice President of Growth at Polygon, told CryptoSlate, with more and more projects launching on Polygon, DX Sale will allow developers to raise funds to bring their ideas to life and take them to the next level. It's great to have awesome development teams like DX Sale make tools that will help the Polygon ecosystem at large. All right, so this helps the ecosystem grow. Helps the developers grow. So the complete token journey. The DX Lock provides a standard for token locking in the Polygon ecosystem, being an easy way for both native and liquidity tokens to be locked and vested with additional added flexibility. The tool will also be interoperable with DX Sale's DX Launch in order to assist DeFi projects to raise capital and seamlessly list on QuickSwap, the next gen layer 2 DEX on Polygon. DX Lock is decentralized, cross-chain, token and liquidity locking system that is interoperable with other DX applications. Its goal is to provide a connected user experience which can save thousands of hours for developers and non-developers using the DApp through the DX Sale DAO. DX Lock is also already available on the Binance Smart Chain. Yes, Binance Smart Chain, that's the big news. That's one of the pieces of big news lately, right? The Smart Chain. All right, so all DX Suite apps are decentralized. The DAO is fully governed through the native Sale token. This will allow for quick swap creation, fundraising, locking, and listing that can be done as efficiently as possible using a single form. Yes, ease of use, ease of use. So, a rising trend. Binance Launchpad was the first launchpad to market that included successful projects such as PancakeSwap and Injective Protocol. DX Sale follows a recent trend of a number of launchpad projects, offering crypto startups the opportunity to raise capital with PolkaStarter, TrustSwap, and Duck DAO, proving to be powerful or popular choices. All right, so bang, there you go. So look, all you Matic hodlers, looks like you got an integration. I know there's a bunch of Matic hodlers watching, a bunch of Matic of my subscribers rocking this Matic shit, so there you go. Nice integration. Token Launchpad. Sounds great. All right, let's move on. Bang! Congress. All right, now we're getting serious. Congress tells the CFTC, the SEC, and the CFTC to form a joint digital asset working group to promote innovation. So, we're going to read it, but I'm going to just tell you, because I've already read this, actually. Well, not this article, but I've read articles about this. This actually came out a couple days ago. So, yeah, here in America, our Congress is now finally not fucking around. And they are telling, they control the SEC and the CFTC. They are telling them to form, it says it right here, to form a working group. And they want them to tell them everything. How should these be regulated? Just everything. And it's a great thing. Now, the problem with something like this is, shit like this takes time. Yeah. Something like this is, it takes over a year. And the truth is, and I'm going to tell you the truth, is Congress is telling them that they have to get back to them within a year about what to do. So this isn't some quick thing. But so I want you to, don't get discouraged. Obviously, SEC and CFTC, well, SEC especially when Gary Gensler comes, and the OCC when the new guy comes, will be giving regulations before this thing comes out. But as you can see, what the SEC and the OCC gives us this year probably will not be the final word on how America treats the digital asset space, right? But this, what I'm showing you this for is that now you're about to see the seriousness Congress is taking this thing. Finally. All right. How seriously they're taking the digital asset space now, where they're actually commanding the SEC and the CFTC to form this working group and see how America can, let's get real, so how America can make money off this shit, You know how Americans be. You know how they do. I'm not going to let a buck slip. They're not going to let a buck slip by them. So that's what this is about. All right. So the legislation is called Eliminate Barriers to Innovation Act of 2021. In other words, we want to launch. We're going to eliminate those barriers. Why don't we have the institutional investors here yet? Why aren't we being flooded by hedge funds and everyone? Wow. Because there's a lot of daggone barriers. So what America's going to do is eliminate those motherfuckers. Oh, yeah. Eventually. So look. And this legislation is expected to bring clarity and transparency to the cryptocurrency industry. Exactly. It's going to give us all the rules, all the everything. Everything about it. All right? This is the grand design. This is like I said, Gary Gensler and I don't remember the name of the OCC guy, the new guy, because he just came in. It takes me a little while to remember their names. But so they're going to give us, they're regulators, so they'll drop regulations on us sooner than this thing will obviously come up with their recommendations. But this thing right here, that's the big one. So look, legislation has been introduced by Representatives Patrick McHenry, Republican from North Carolina, and Stephen Lynch, a Democratic from Massachusetts, to create a digital asset working group. So bang! So first of all, I want you to take note. A Republican and a Democrat. In other words, bipartisan. Bipartisan. It's not one party wanting something. Here in America, there's only two political parties here in America. So when one party wants something, the other one just says no. Right? And but this one's bipartisan. In other words, both parties want this, right? So this is good. This is real good. So Glenn Thompson, Republican from Pennsylvania, Ted Budd, Republican from North Carolina, and Warren Davidson, Republican from Ohio, are other co-sponsors of the bill that aims to bring clarification around crypto asset regulation in the USA. Bang! Clarification, regulatory clarity. Introduced this week, the bill wants the two leading agencies that oversee digital asset markets in the U.S., Commodity Futures Trading Commission, the CFTC, and the Securities Exchange Commission, SEC, along with key industry groups, to jointly establish this working group. Amy Kim, Chief Policy Officer at Chamber of Digital Commerce, noted, as other countries continue to lead in the rapidly growing digital asset industry, now is the time for the United States to build and maintain clear and uniform regulatory framework across agencies to position this industry for success in the coming decades. We need regulatory clarity. You know what I'm saying? I mean, that's a fancy way of just saying that. So, it is no longer a choice to do nothing. As such, some Congress members have introduced the Eliminate Barriers to Innovative Act of 2021. That will require key stakeholders, including industry representatives, to work together for a period of a year. This is the problem. They're talking about a year from now to resolve regulatory issues surrounding digital assets. The group would have equal representation. Don't worry, your holdings are still going to go up while that's happening. Because remember, around the world, money is coming in. New money is flowing into this space. So, prices rise. So this is just what America is doing. But, as we saw in India, they have whole banks offering their customers money, crypto now. So, digital assets now. So don't worry. It's not like, oh my gosh, we got to wait a year. We don't have to wait a year. Don't worry. Remember, this is a global market. Cryptocurrency, digital ledger technology services providers, digital assets are global. And so, look, if the Americans take a little time to come with their money, all right, well, the Europeans will come with theirs. And as we can see, I read to you, well, the Indians are coming with theirs. They've got banksters already giving it to their citizens like that. Which is what you can expect here later on. So don't worry. Your portfolios are never, ever, ever going to look, your portfolios are just going to continually pulse up, retrace, consolidate. Pulse up, retrace, consolidate. That's it. That's all. Forever and ever. Whoa. Not forever and ever, but I mean, for a long, long time. I mean, years. We haven't even, like I said, the tsunami hasn't even arrived. The institutional money is just beginning to come into this space. So new money, a market is very simple. Supply and demand. Well, the demand is obviously fierce, right? And so the demand just keeps coming. And there's way more demand. It's just not allowed to be here yet because this space isn't fully regulated. But when this space gets regulated, wow. The big boys will reach, right? Like in Germany right now. It's the Germans. And in Switzerland right now. All those ETPs I've been reading. Or like in Canada, we've been reading about those ETFs lately. Right? We read about the Mike Novogratz ETF. Right? He did some regulatory arbitrage. He said, all right, fuck America. I'm just going up to Canada. Yeah, new money coming to the space. New money. There's always going to be new money for a long, long, long time. All right, so huddle and just watch your money rise. So the group would have equal representation from both organizations along with representatives from a financial services institution. So it's not just the SEC and the CFTC, but they're going to bring in, crypto people to talk about it, right? A fintech company, a small business or entrepreneur, an investor protection group. So someone engaged in related academic research or advocacy, and an institution or organization supporting investment in historically underserved businesses. So, right, it's not just the SEC and the CFTC. They're going to bring in all the stakeholders, small businesses, entrepreneurs, investors, the academics. What do the smarty pantses think? Right, institutions. What does J.P. Morgan think? Right, so it's going to be a whole big group of all the stakeholders, all the participants in this market, in this space. So the legislation calls for a working group to deliver a report to both the agencies and relevant congressional committees that provide recommendations to improve efficiency, transparency, availability, and efficacy of primary and secondary markets. So the spot market, where we buy, and secondary markets, OTC. That's where the big money goes. And secondary markets in digital assets and, more importantly, buy customer protections. Customer protections. So also, no one gets scammed. Also, to provide recommendations regarding establishing protocols concerning custody, private key management, cybersecurity, and business continuity relating to digital assets intermediaries. That's interesting. So the working group is further required to deliver a comprehensive analysis of developments in other countries and how those trends impact the U.S. So they're also going to look at who's done what around the world and sort of try to analyze, well, if we did that, how would that affect the American market, right? So they're actually going to look at other markets. Like I said, it's a copycat world. If something works somewhere else, we'll do it right here. Just like when we do it right here, believe me, everyone's going to copy what America does. And so it's a copycat world. I've said that a million times. So the legislation is expected to be important in bringing clarity, regulatory clarity. Everybody knows what everything is. And transparency to the cryptocurrency industry. Bang! So this is major. This is major. Now, they're going to set this thing up. Like it says, it's going to be about a year. They're going to be doing this thing for about a year. But this is superly comprehensive digital asset clarity and legislation. Digital asset legislation, which will bring us the true clarity that we want, the full clarity. No more games, the full clarity. Like I said, these guys are going to give their report in about a year. But don't worry. Before that, Gary Gensler and the boys are going to be obviously regulating before that. And like I said, around the world, this is a global economy, or a global industry. A global market. And so, well, actually, it is a global industry as well. And countries from around the world, all their people are going to be pouring in. Well, not are going to be pouring in. They are already pouring in now. More consumers. I've been reading to you about regulated ETFs in Canada, regulated ETPs in Germany. It's the Germans. Regulated ETPs in Switzerland. Yeah, well, that's big money coming. That's big money. Can use all that and invest in all that. So we're moving forward. New money is piling in. There is not going to be any massive sell-off ever again, like in 2018. 2018, the reason 2018 was such a crash was because in 2017, well, that was just a bunch of soccer moms and dads buying in. And what we call in the markets, weak hands. Weak hands. You know, they don't have a realistic, you know, they just don't know. You know, they're just a bunch of worker bees. They don't know. They don't know how the market's working. They don't have a realistic expectation for the space. And so when prices started going down a little bit, they ran out of the market. And that's why the market for 12 whole months just kept tanking. Once we got rid of those weak hands, though, then 2019 was the year of consolidation, right? We were just sideways. For you guys, your V-chains, 0.003 to 0.007 all year long. And then we got into 2020. Let's use the V-chain example as well. To 0.003 to 0.007 all year long until the OCC came out in, what was that, June, and said, look, every American bank in custody crypto. Wow, that showed the whole world. That showed the whole world. Oh, yeah. Here come the fucking Americans. Ha, ha, ha. Look. And as you can see, ever since then, wow, we're just on an uptrend. Up, retrace a little, consolidate. Up, retrace a little bit, consolidate. And it's just going to go like that for the next, 8-10 years. But when we get the full regulatory clarity, you know, these pulses up we see now are going to be nothing. Like I told you, like the dot-com bubble. Boom. Everyone was getting rich. You could invest in anything you want. Back in the dot-com bubble days, you could put your money in anything you wanted. And it made money for you. All right, this thing might have made more money than that thing. But all of you made money. No one lost. Right? No one lost money. And now that's what this space, well, it already is like that. Because I can see a lot of dog shit out here that's making money. Holy. And but so we're already starting in that sort of irrational exuberance. People just piling into stuff. But then, like I said, like I've been teaching you, and what I've been getting you to do, build a cryptocurrency warehouse big. Buy, build a cryptocurrency warehouse strong. Bang. Fill it with working product. Bang. Because when institutional investors arrive, when smart money gets here, fuck. If you are invested in working product, things that are actually generating revenue, you're going to be so fucking rich. That's not to say you're not going to make money on the other shit, but let's get real. How rich do you want to be? Yeah, well, choose wisely. Invest wisely, fucksticks. It better be onboarded and used by big major companies. I like to say Fortune 500s, but just major companies and major governments. And you will be rich. All the rest of this, you're going to make money. I don't know about getting rich, but you'll make money. But yeah, I want you all to be rich. You know what I'm saying? And getting rich means when institutional investors get here, you have a portfolio that's filled with revenue generating product. Because that's what a company is about. Making money, fucksticks. Look, all right, brothers, let's move on. And sisters, look. Bye. Goldman Sachs COO. Goldman Sachs Chief Operating Officer says that client demand is rising to invest in digital assets. So you guys remember back in the days, back in 2018, Goldman Sachs was saying, oh yeah, crypto's just dog shit. Oh, yeah. This is just a scam. This is bullshit. Yeah. Well, their tune has changed now, hasn't it? That's like BlackRock. BlackRock, the biggest asset manager in the world. Back in 2018, those fucksticks over at BlackRock were like, remember the CEO? We read it here. What did he say? He said, I've not had one customer even ask me about crypto. Yeah, well, it has changed now, hasn't it? It's changed now, hasn't it? They're thinking of offering crypto services now, aren't they? Fucksticks. I guess it's really just they relate to the party. And, Goldman as well, late to the party. Like you remember JP Morgan, they were saying, oh, crypto's fucked, crypto's bullshit. But secretly, they were building that JP Morgan coin. See what I'm saying? So that's different. They were just pretending. And that's how they do. They were pretending. Oh, yeah, fuck crypto, fuck all that digital ledger asset. Oh, fuck those digital assets. Meanwhile, they were building their own, weren't they? Sneaky motherfuckers. JP Morgan, Jamie Dimon. That's how you got to do it, though. You can't let the competition know what you're up to. You know what I'm saying? Anyways, we're past those days now. Every bankster just admits it. Yeah, this shit's real and it's here to stay. And we have rising client demand. But let's move on. Let's read from here. Bank president, so right at the top, Bank President John Waldron says the use of digital money will explode as the digital commerce trend continues, which was accelerated by the pandemic. About all that. So Goldman Sachs Group is exploring how it can meet the rising customer demand to invest in Bitcoin while following the regulations, said Bank President and Chief Operating Officer John Waldron. So, right, you see how they keep saying that, right? They have to follow the regulations, and that's why I keep telling you. They want to come here. They want to be here. They want to get all your daggone crypto. But they're not allowed. They're not allowed. It's not they don't want to. They're greedy fuckers. They want to control the world. Believe me. All right, guys? Shomari, man, when are these guys coming? As soon as they can get regulation. Believe me. You're going to have to fend them off. You're going to have to fend them off. Stay away from my portfolio. I'm not selling yet. Get away from me. My V-chain isn't at $1 yet. You don't get any. Not yet. Not yet. Yeah. Yeah, when your V-chain's like at 80 cents, you have to fend them off. Get out of here. Get out of here. Not yet. Not yet. You daggone savages. You fucking market savages. Settle down. Well, you have to tell them, go on. Get out of here. Go buy some other shit. I'm not selling yet. All right. Not to my price targets. Right? Not to my price targets. You know what I'm saying? That's my price targets. Get out of here, buddy. You can get the shit later. All right, so, but that's what it is. So regulations, right? Look, I'm telling you. Wow. You're not literally going to be fending them off. It's not like they're going to be bankster in your house. A bankster in your house with a knife to your wife's neck. Give me your daggone V-chain. I'll fucking kill her. All right. You know what I mean? Desperate banksters. Oh yeah. Desperate banksters. Fucking come right up in your house and fucking try to start some shit. All right, guys, let's be serious though more serious. Let's just get back to adult talk. So look, and that's what it is about. Well, once the regulations come, that's what I'm telling you. Shomari, when's the fucking tsunami coming? When there's regulations, buddy. And as soon as there are regulations, daggone. These price rises that we're having now, this is retail money, small money. When these fucksticks, when the big institutions get ready to arrive, you're gonna see gains like you've never seen before. Motherfuckers talking to me about Shomari, I just made 100,000 yesterday. Yeah, there's gonna be days where you're gonna make 1 million. Hold on, I got some miscreen at my door. 1 second. Bye. All right. Holy shit. Actually, I had a bunch of people just come over right now. Yeah, one of my buddies here, he's like, yeah. He's showing me his Coinbase account. It's nice. All right. That's how you like to see it. Everyone making money. All right. So where were we? Oh, regulations. Yes. I think I was in the middle of some yap, but I don't remember what I was yapping about. All right. Maybe I'll pick it up. All right. Look. So Walden. Who's Walden again? Oh, Chief Operating Officer. Oh, of Goldman Sachs. So he says, client demand is rising, Walden said. We're regulated on what we can do. We continue to evaluate it and engage it. Exactly. Regulated investment vehicles. That's whenever I say the word regulated, that means the big boys can come. So Goldman is also exploring a Bitcoin exchange traded fund. Of course they all are. Everybody knows. Let's get real. Everybody knows. So everyone was applying for ETFs in 2018, 2019. Once everyone realized that Jay Clayton was the chairman of the SEC. Well, once everyone realized that he was just a cockblocker, that he wasn't going to do it, well, they stopped, right? But you notice now that Gary Gensler is coming. Wow. Gary Gensler's a market master. Not only is he a market master, but he's a Bitcoin master, a blockchain master, distributed ledger technology master. And so, as you can see, everyone's putting in their applications now, hoping, come on, Gary, dog. Come on, Gary. Let's go. I mean, it doesn't work like that. It's actually a committee. It's a committee of 5 people. So Gary Gensler's only 1 vote. So it's not really, I'm making it sound like he controls things. He doesn't, but you know, when someone controls an agency, you know, other people get on board. You know, and you know, the chairman might convince people, look, guys, I know you voted against these last year, but look, let me tell you about this and this and this. You know, it's not that bad. We're gonna handle market manipulation through this and this. We'll be FATF compliant. Don't worry, like that. You know, so, and he's a market master. The last guy, Jay Clayton, was just a nobody. I didn't even know where Donald Trump, what fucking shithole he drug him up from. But Clayton's but Gensler's an actual market master and Bitcoin teacher at MIT. So people will have more respect for that guy. And so, all right, well, we'll just see what we get. All right, so Walden said that client demand is rising. We're regulated on what we can do. Exactly. See, that's what I keep telling you. They are, you know, Shomari, when are we going to get the tsunami? Well, they are regulated on what they can do. Meaning, when we get the regulations, That's when it'll happen, all right? All right, we continue to validate and engage on it. So recently, the banking giant... No, not. It looks like I was only gone for a second for you guys, but I was actually gone for about 20 minutes talking to these guys about crypto. My buddy bought some crypto late, but he's up 22 grand on his Bitcoin right now. He was just showing me good stuff. That's that Italian gambling guy I told you about. Yeah. All right, so recently, the banking giant restarted its Bitcoin trading desk, and it plans to start dealing Bitcoin futures and non-deliverables forwards for clients from this month. Oh, what? Hold on. Let me read this again. Oh, that's right. They started the trading desk. Right. All right, and non-deliverable forwards. So Goldman is also exploring a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund, which, much like many other firms, and has issued a request for information to explore crypto asset custody. So they want a custody. Waldron said Goldman can custody cryptocurrencies, but can't principal them. Not sure what that means, actually. The bank is in talks with regulators and central banks regarding how they can be regulated when dealing with digital currencies. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, is currently mulling over how to regulate broker-dealers who are holding digital assets for clients. The agency asked for public comments on the matter in December. So last month, Bank of New York Mellon, we read that here, also said it had formed a new unit to help clients transfer and hold crypto assets. This week, JP Morgan filed with the Securities and Exchange Commission to launch cryptocurrency exposure basket through the stocks of companies dealing with crypto directly or indirectly. So I read to you about that, right? JP Morgan isn't investing directly in crypto, but they're investing in companies that are exposed to crypto. So they're investing in, like Coinbase or, I don't know, but sort of like Grayscale, right? They're not buying the Grayscale futures contracts. They're buying the Grayscale stock. You see what I'm saying? You get it? Who else? Like Mike Novogratz, we read yesterday, doing the regulatory arbitrage to launch his ETF in Canada. Yeah, they're buying stocks in his company, right? They're not buying the actual ETFs he's offering. They're buying the stocks of his company, and that's what JP Morgan's doing. All right, 1 second. Another daggone miscreant. Fucksticks. They come in droves. Hold on. Bang. All right. So look, where we at? JP Morgan probably has to launch a cryptocurrency exposure basket. So that's what I was talking to you guys about. Right. So they're not. Oh, well, here it says right here. Through the stocks of companies dealing with crypto directly and indirectly. So they're not buying crypto directly, but not anyone, but some that are dealing in crypto. So like I said, like Galaxy Digital, what's the one we're already reading? Those guys that are always buying so much. I can't remember the name, but yeah, right. So anyways, so not directly into the crypto, but companies that are dealing in crypto. So anyways, so it has been the pandemic that caused an increase in digital payments. And according to Goldman, this trend will continue. This will further cause a corresponding explosion in the use of digital currency. So the pandemic has been a significant accelerant. There is no question in our mind there'll be more digital commerce and use of digital money. All right, fuck all that. It's nonsense, but look, bang! There it is. They are seeing their clients, bang! Demand is rising for digital assets, That's right. New money coming in. You can expect this market to keep rising and rising and rising for a long time. We might have blood red days, We might even have a blood red week like we did 2 weeks ago, right? It was all blood red 2 weeks ago. Yeah. But bang, up again we go. When we have blood red weeks, that's called price consolidation, right? You go up, you have a pulse, up, you retrace a little, consolidate, and then pulse, retrace a little, consolidate. That's normal markets. That's normal markets. We are never going to be going way down again in the Bitcoin. That is never, ever, ever, ever going to happen again. We have strong hands in this market. The reason we were at 18,000 in January of 2018 and got all the way down. Look, I went through a whole on what I like to term the cryptocurrency bloodbath of 2018 and got all the way down to 3,000 by the end of it is because they were weak hands. We had market guys, we call them weak hands. Wow. There are no more weak hands here. Now, there are people taking profit. Yeah, but just because they don't know that there's a tsunami coming. And so that's where you get your retraces from. But there are no more weak hands. Just fully selling out like, oh, I got to get out of here. Those days are over. Some guy told me today something about, what did he tell me? He said he thinks Bitcoin's going to get back to 10 Gs. Buddy, you're insane. You're insane. That's never, ever going to happen, all right? So look, bang. Here's the big money showing that their people are demanding it. And, well, obviously, Goldman Sachs is going to serve them that chicken, which will mean our prices will, bang, continue to rise. All right, let's move on. Bang, what do we got here? Sloppy, lever with the tip of the bang. Yes, holding on the Canadian insurgency. Yes. You have a Canadian insurgency, Shomari? Yes. Cryptocurrency blockchain news. We're a distributed nation. It's the cryptocurrency blockchain nation. We're distributed. We've got Sloppy up in Canada. Bang! We've got 007 in Van Brenen and Dino Jankovic in the Netherlands. Bang! We've got Radster over there in the Czech Republic, in Prague. Bang! We got Binium in Spain. Is he in Spain? Wait. Sorry, Binium. I can't remember where. I don't remember where you are. But look, we're distributed. We're distributed. People keep track of my insurgent mastas. I don't know where every masta is, but they're all out there. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. That's how the cryptocurrency blockchain channel is. Oh yeah. We got DP Entertainment out west here in America. Bang. We got Pollywood and Jay Will right down here in Florida with me. Bang. Oh yeah. And you know who we got? Yeah. We got Edwin. Holding down the northern insurgency of America in the belly of the beast. Yeah, we deploy him. He's one of our special ops. Edwin's a special ops guy. We deploy him behind enemy lines. Right in the belly of the beast. Oh, yeah, in the belly of the beast. So look, that's how we do it. We got our insurgency going, boys. We got our distributed nation, right? We distribute it. We invest in distributed ledger technology companies because we are a distributed nation. Yes. Borders don't hold us back. Look, love you, Sloppy. See you, Sloppy. Bang. All right, new follower. Who's this guy? Dennis. What's he say? Raskazal. All right, brother. Love you, the bang. Well, look at all the Michigans. All right, this is going to be quick. It's going to be a quick one. Sunny B. Hold on, let me get a sip, Sunny B. Oh, get a sip before she arrests you. Wow. Spy lady. Oh, if you see Spy lady, you're in trouble, boy. Look. Sunny B, Spy lady. Love you, lady. See you, lady. Bye. Chief Vizo. Look. Of the Baskuyaki tribe. V-Chain Masters, V-Chain Hodlers, V-Chain Killers. And with the tools. Look. Bye. Love you, Chief. See you, Chief. bang. KJ Gatsby, led by the chief with a bang. Roy Hines, led by the chief with a bang. Dr. Chanak, interested in seeing New India. Passionate about medicine. Currently supporting people who are not corrupt. Well, all right. Led by the chief with a bang. Bam, connecting them daggone dots. Led by the chief with a bang. What's this? A gift token. A gift token is an exceptional system that is created to rebrand gifting. Offering people gifts is one of the most wonderful traditions. Engage the world. All right, gift token. Love you guys. See you guys. Bang. Good luck with that. I want to name, hey, look, led by the chief of the bang. Robbie Hardaway, led by the chief of the bang. L Downs, Lorna Downs, all in Downs. Lorna said, look. Oh, yeah. You fucks just want to play with me? She said, look. Well, I'm all in. Bang. Motherfuckers got put on notice with that all in. Lorna all in Downs. Let me go see you, girl. Bang. You want to bet me on this? You better ante up, because I'm all in, she said. Like, I love that. Strong move. Technically bullish, led by the chief with a bang. Andrew Petrata, led by the chief with a bang. Yes. All right. Well, that's everybody, man. That's everybody. That's all the miscreants there. Let's see if we can scrape up a couple more here. Just Delavina, led by the chief with a bang. What's this? Grunstable, led by the chief with a bang. Hodel Iota, led by the chief with a bang. Oh, here's this son of a bitch. Bang. Bang. Got you wrong, kids. Twice in one day. Because I didn't do the show yesterday, I did it today. So you got killed twice in one day. Stupid. I love you, brother. I see you, brother. Bang. Market killer. Node savior. Bang. Yes, he is. Yes, he's all those things and more. Oh, yeah. He's all of it. All right, that's everybody, man. That's everyone. Fuck it. Let's get back to the Death Star. Bang. Let's get back to the bang. Yes. All right. All right, guys. So, we had a great show for you today. Nice. All right. So, story number 1. Polygon, otherwise known as the Matic Network. So, if you own Matic, this is for you. Polygon now. There's a little name change, a little rebranding. So, Polygon, with the interoperable token launchpad. And so hold on, let me look at it because I don't really remember what it was even about. Hold on. Oh, yeah, because it was all nerdy talk. Right, token launchpad for DX sale, DX launch. I'm not going to lie to you, man. I wasn't even really following that. I didn't even understand what the fuck they were talking about. But anyways, man, some good shit for Matic / Polygon. So, Matic hodlers, bye. All right, let's move on. Oh, yeah, now we're into the real shit. Congress tells the SEC and the CFTC to form a digital asset group. Exactly. Now, Congress here in America, now that we've got the new administration, the new band of miscreants in Congress, now they can get back to work. Right? Last year was all an election year. And how much work gets done in an election year in America? Everyone's just positioning themselves to get elected. They don't really do shit. So that's why when at the beginning of an administration, you always see big shit rolled out right at the beginning because, by next year, this time, they're going to be back in another election season. So anyway, that's how it works here in America. And so Congress tells the SEC and the CFTC to form a digital asset group. And so that's amazing. And it looks like what they're saying to them is, look, we want the recommendations. We want you to, look into every avenue of this digital asset space. We want the recommendations. And we're going to write comprehensive legislation around it. Comprehensive. In other words, the final rules. Right? So it's going to take a year. But don't worry. Before that, The SEC is still, Gary Gensler and the SEC, they're still going to provide guidance and, it doesn't mean that the SEC can't approve ETFs or anything while we're waiting. So, but this is comprehensive. So this is sort of, I guess what I should say about this is America finally getting serious. And look, we want to regulate and get everything for this whole space in one shot. And so that's why they're building this group. And once this group reports in, they will write the legislation, and we will finally have comprehensive, in other words, all-encompassing, in other words, the final rules for all our stuff. And that's what we need. And that's what the big boys need, so they can come and buy this stuff. And so, which is what we need so that we can get rich. So, bye. And then finally, Goldman says that their clients, or that they are seeing a demand in crypto from the clients. And so, well, of course they are. I mean, this market is just going to keep rising and rising and rising. As long as there is new money pouring in, well, the markets rise. The markets are very fucking simple. Supply and demand. The more people want something, the higher the price goes. Well, this is the global market, and it's just starting. Soccer mom and dad don't even know about it yet, the majority of them. Businesses and, the money masters are just beginning to position themselves and get ready to get into this space. We ain't going back. There's not going to be any $10,000 Bitcoin again. That's retarded. That's stupid. That's never going to happen. It's just money coming in, consolidate. Money coming in, consolidate. Money coming in, consolidate. Just like the dot-com bubble for 8 solid years, from 1992 to the year 2000. It was just a straight frenzy. And like I told you, it was so huge, they even had a name for it. Well, for the people who were invested in it, called the nouveau riche, the new rich. Well, that's what you are going to be, my subscribers. My subscribers, if you've listened to me and you're investing wisely, I mean, I don't tell you what to buy, but I tell you what types of things to buy. And believe me, if you've been doing that, especially if you've been here from the beginning, or, even a year or two, you're going to be rich. You are going to be rich. Okay? As long as you invest wisely. And so, working product. Let me say it a better way. When you invest in distributed ledger technology services providers that are actually generating revenue. Yeah, right. Generating revenue. All right? Okay, so it's as easy as that. And so, this ain't rocket science. And so, all right, then, that's it, then. That's good for today. Let's chill it and kill it. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. So, subscribe below, press the bell. You get an automatic notification when I do the show. The greatest show on earth. The greatest show. Yes. Still in the multiverse. Look, my name's Shomari Clarke. Love talking money. Bang! Love talking crypto. Bang! The favorite time of my day. So, thanks for having me in your home, and I will see you all tomorrow for another fun fact-filled day of crypto talk. So, until then, subscribe here and watch that video. Oh, sorry, not video. Subscribe here and press that bell. Bye. Go over here and watch that video. Bye. Greatest of the multiverse. I'll see you all tomorrow. My name is Shomari Clarke, and I'm always on duty, and I'm always watching our money because we're making it nicely. Yes. Bye. See you all tomorrow. Over and out.